Let's start with the government's proposals to limit some repeated protests. Will you back the Home Secretary in doing that?
Well, of course we will support them, but what took them so long? And the issue, from my perspective, is why should the public trust a Home Secretary who not that long ago was protesting herself, lay down, close the Sainsbury's supermarket because it was stocking Israeli goods? I think what I heard when I was, talking to the congregation yesterday was that they don't trust this Labour government because they've seen all of them make many anti-Israeli remarks, support anti-Israeli, anti-Jewish action. They are very concerned that this government doesn't believe in them, but I want them to know that they can trust the Conservatives.
In terms, though, of your own position, you're also someone who's a very staunch defender of freedom of speech.
Yes, I am.
Is it comfortable as a Conservative to say that you will back further curbs on the right to protest?
We believe in free speech, but that has to be within the bounds of the law. If people are using protest to intimidate, if they are using protest to incite violence, then no, it's not protest.
What do you think it is then?
It's intimidation, it's inciting violence. This is one of the things that we've all been reminded of as we come to Tory conference, that what happened in Manchester was completely foreseeable. Not enough has been done. Jewish people have been very worried about their safety. I want them to know that we believe that they should be in this country. We do not want to see them leaving. Many of them told me that they're already leaving. Family members are leaving. They feel safer in Israel, a war zone, than they do in our country. How has it come to that? We have always provided sanctuary to Jews, and we always should.
Would you then commit today, for example, to accepting all of the recommendations that were put forward in the cross-party report by Penny Mordaunt and John Mann about things that could happen right now to tackle anti-Semitism? Would you back those proposals?
I think there's a lot in the report that I would support, but the key thing right now is to make sure that the government, we're the opposition, they are the government needs to actually stop proving to Jewish people that it's got their back. The recognition of Palestine when Hamas still had hostages sent a terrible signal to Jewish people in this country that the government did not care. I want them to know that we care. And as far as I'm concerned, no other party has pointed out so many of the issues. We are the only party with the experience, with the competence, with the credibility to deliver for our country, whether it's stronger borders, safety, or a stronger economy.
Do you agree with Penny Mordaunt that there are some institutions in this country, like unions, for example? Penny Mordaunt's claimed some of them are anti-Semitic. Do you agree with that?
Well, Penny and I were in government together, and she will remember that we actually tried to bring in a law, the boycotts, divestments and sanctions legislation, to stop many institutions, many government bodies from carrying out anti-Semitic behaviour. This is one of the things that we have been fighting for many years.